I like this little gif that Gerard B. Davis has posted on. I think that's really funny. I like that. All very apt. On an app. Yay, now. Anyway, that's brilliant. Thanks a lot for that. This is Robert Foertsch. Robert Foertsch has made this little video, and I wonder if you can see what's going on. I'm just going to play it. He films the bird going behind the sun. And he films a bird going in front of the sun. So I'm going to play that again. Here we go. The bird goes behind the sun. Well, that bird goes behind the sun. And that one goes in front. What do you reckon then?